Laura here, and I'm so excited to show you what's in this package. The kind people over at Maxyoyo sent me this beanbag tufted couch floor bed. I can't wait to open up and show you what it looks like. Okay, I am thoroughly impressed. This is how it looked basically upon coming out of the packaging. They say to give it about 48 hours and kind of fluff it up to help get it back to its fluffy, cozy shape. So I expect that it'll get a little bit more fluffy, but I would not be disappointed if this is as good as it gets. Take a look at this. So it comes in these pieces that are connected. It technically is like 4 separate pieces, and then has these cute accent pillows that go with it that are functional and cute. But look at this fabric. So this is the beige color, and it is a nice creamy color. I would say that it, color-wise, if you're trying to identify what it would really look like, I'd say it is more cream than white, but I would not call it like a true beige. I'd say it's definitely more of a creamy look, but it is super beautiful. I love the tufted look. I think that makes it look a little bit fancier when it's all folded up. But when you unfold it into a bed, these do not stand out as much, so I don't think it affects the comfort of this at all. But look at how soft and plush this fabric is. It is so cozy. My 2 young kids immediately were laying on this because it just exudes cozy comfort. They couldn't wait. So I want to show you all the different ways that you can use this. This is going to have so many uses in our house. So I'm going to take these 2 pillows off. And so this is the first option. We've got your standard floor couch. This is the twin size. I'm going to fold out the bottom. And now it is an extended couch. Then you can pull it out again and flip this piece up. And it's kind of a modified floor bed where you can lean up against that. It's kind of like an extended couch sort of a situation. And then you can pull it totally flat and you've got yourself a twin size bed. This is amazing. It's so cozy. It's so soft. We are going to have so many uses for this. I know my kids are going to use this for forts. They're going to use it for playing. We're going to use it for sleepovers. It is really just a really soft, cozy spot. I think this is going to turn into our reading couch, honestly. So we're really impressed with it. I'm super excited about having this in our house. I think that you'll like checking it out as well if you are looking for this kind of a versatile floor, couch, bed combo situation.